Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Kunafa brownies. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and gather shredded kunafa, chocolate, butter, eggs, sugar, flour, and flavorings. Start by brushing the kunafa with melted butter until evenly coated. Prepare a simple brownie batter in a bowl, stirring until just combined. Layer half the kunafa in the pan, pour batter, then top with remaining kunafa. Press gently and warm your chocolate and butter slowly until smooth, then allow a brief cool so eggs do not scramble. Whisk eggs and sugar until the mixture thickens slightly, creating a lighter texture. Gently fold in the melted chocolate, then sifted flour and cocoa, combining until streaks disappear. Keep the batter slightly lumpy rather than perfectly smooth to preserve fudginess. This method helps the center stay moist under the crispy kunafa top. Butter the pan well and press half the shredded kunafa firmly to create a golden base. Pour the prepared brownie batter evenly over that base, smoothing gently without disturbing the layer. Scatter or press the remaining buttered kunafa on top to form a crunchy crust. Bake at 350 degrees F and check after about 25 minutes by looking for moist crumbs on a toothpick, avoiding a fully dry center for best texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.